Hello, my dear friends. Well, our today's video lesson is devoted to the process of massage, including some interesting techniques and methods, so that you could vary your techniques and provide your clients with some new experience and sensations during a massage. Today I'd like to turn your attention to the following. Very often a massage, especially the general massage, lasts for 1.5 or even 2 hours. I know it myself. When I receive a long-running massage, at a certain moment I don't like it anymore, and I'm even fed up with it because I just lie there being massaged doing nothing. Everything's okay during the first 40 minutes or something, because I have relaxed, but when my resourceful energy starts to come back and I wake up, then for the rest of the time the massage, by and large, can become a real torture. So, a person just lies doing nothing. Every muscle becomes numb and he or she doesn't want this massage to last for any other minute. That is why, my friends, here is my practical tip. You need to do something for mobilization of joints or apply some Thai massage techniques. I'm going to show some Thai massage techniques. Why? Because it is difficult to find materials on mobilization techniques. There is lack of information about them, and you need to study it. Moreover, it is difficult to implement these techniques quickly, while Thai massage techniques can be found in millions of video tutorials. And we have a whole seminar devoted to Thai massage therapy. You can take separate elements of it and include them in usual general massages. It will be very easy to do, and moreover you will learn how to use a massage table as your tool. Here I want to underline that all beginner massage therapists often make a mistake. They are afraid to use their tools. What does it mean? They even give massages like this, standing far away from a massage table. But, guys, this is not how it should be. A massage table is designed to support you, to be your tool, your helper. Though it is a bit off our today's topic, but I will show it now. Imagine that you are applying the technique of simple pressing. You just need to step one leg forward and lean against the table. This way you will push back using not your back, but your knee. You see? This is all very simple and evident. That's why use all parts of your body and use a massage table as a support. It is very convenient. Now let's get down to our today's topic. What can we do? We have legs here, and it's clear that while you're massaging the person's back, his legs become numb. That's why you uncover one leg and start to massage it like this. Please, check that the person has no pain. It depends on his body flexibility and differs between different people. We can do it like this. Need the legs. There is nothing wrong with it, and on the contrary, it is good for the person. You do it from one side, from the other side, and now I'll show you one interesting thing. There are techniques in Thai massage therapy when we place the feet overlapped and press them against the sacrum. It's obvious that it's impossible to press them from here. We have here a usual tip-up table, and I hope you in most cases use exactly such tables. If you work somewhere away from your massage room, you, 100%, use such a table. There is nothing to be afraid of. This table can bear your weight. It has been tried and tested millions of times, especially when it comes to the ends of the table where it has legs, and not in the middle where it folds up. So you get on the table and now you can press the feet using the weight of your body. Then you change the feet, and do the same. Everything is easy and convenient. Here you can also massage the calf muscles, pressing them round, like this. So feel free to use a massage table as your work tool. Now your client feels happier, because something's going on with him. After that we can do more for the back area. I often use this trick during the trampoline. This is the technique that we use as a preparation for a massage. I mean, before we uncover the back and start the massage itself, we prepare the muscles and check for any possible problems with them. If there are any weak, too relaxed or hypotonic muscles or any muscle cramps. Imagine a case when a client is a big plump guy and a massage therapist is a small slim girl. If she stands at the table like this, she will never massage him well, even if she uses her forearms. But she always wants to do her best so that the client, when leaving her massage room, admires how such a small and slim girl could need him to the full extent. So how this can be done? First of all, you need to use the table as your helper, your tool. You take the person's hand, hold the elbow, position his arm like this and again cover it with the sheet. Then you place your one knee here and your other knee here. If the client faces you, turn his head away. Otherwise you can hit his nose with your knee and it will be a sad story. Let's get back to the massage. I repeat, there are legs under the ends of the table, even if it is a tip-up table, so there is nothing to be afraid of. I'm not a small and slim man, but I never hesitate to do this and, believe me, I have never broken any table yet. That's why you place your knee here and lean upon the client. Don't hesitate to fully involve the client in the massage process. On the contrary, such a, let's say, remote massage is the most annoying thing. When a massage therapist gives a massage like this as if the client is something disgusting, you know. The person feels all those things. So, on the contrary, you need to involve the client and use his body to help you. It gives the feeling of close cooperation during a massage. So, you lean upon the client and place your second knee here. The scapula, the spine and the sacrum, everything is close at hand. You don't need to apply any additional force, the weight of your body will be enough, you just apply it to the client and that's it. Even if the massage therapist is not a big guy or just a small slim girl, it won't be a problem for them. You just need to shift your weight to your hands. I will not now press too much in order not to break anything. But if you are a slim person, you can do it to the full extent. You can press round the sacrum and the iliac bone without any problems. Then you get off the table, put the client's arm back and do the same from the other side. Don't forget to turn the client's head away. The main point is to use the massage table as your helper, as a tool you need to master, so don't hesitate to use it during your work. And of course, apply the Thai massage techniques, they are great. Because during long-running massages clients' muscles become numb. Clients feel uncomfortable. And if after each area, for example, the back, the legs, the chest, you make some movements to stretch muscles or tendons or mobilize joints, this will always be very good. The main point is that these movements must not be painful for clients. They need to feel only the stretching itself and that will be cool. So, use these recommendations during your work. As usual, I wish you to be the best in what you do and see you in our next video.